Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Couple of Scrubs. We are Junior and Rakia, and today we're going to show you how to clean a dirty, moldy shower. Here you can see the dirt and mold on the floor and tiles, but don't worry, if your shower looks like this, we had the fastest, most efficient way to clean it. Here are the products that we used. We started with the Comet, put the powder on the floor, and then we took the Lysol spray and sprayed the walls. Here we have our magical brush that does wonders. Now you can take the Lysol spray and spray the brush to mix the fluid with the Comet because the Comet is dry. It will make it easier to clean. Also, I will have in the description below links to where you can purchase all the products as well as this amazing brush that will make your life easier. Here you have different heads that you can use to get different corners of the shower. Here I use a smaller head to get into those tight spots. It makes it way easier to clean. Now once you're done with all of the scrubbing, you can open up your shower head to get the water to rinse and drain all of the cleaning solution. Now as you can see, all of the dirt and mold has been completely removed. Our shower looks brand new. So now you can clean your shower or bathtub like a professional with minimum effort and get the maximum effect. So if you like what you watched today, subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, let us know what you liked, let us know what you want to see next, share the video, and stay tuned to see what we scrub next. Also, follow us on TikTok for more content. Thanks for watching.